Children, today I shall teach you the sums from exercise 4C of chapter fraction. Sum number A, change the following fractions to their lowest term. So now see sum number 1, 9 by 12. So you have to change the fraction 9 by 12 to its lowest term. So what you will do first? First you will take the HCF of 9 and 12. So children, in the previous class I taught you how to find out the HCF of the numbers by division method. So here also I shall apply the division method to find out their HCF. So which one is better, 9 or 12? 12 is better. So divide 12 by 9. So 9 ones are 9. 12 minus 9, 3. Again divide 9 by 3. So 3 3s are 9. So which one is the HCF? 3 is the HCF. So the HCF of 9 and 12 is 3. Now you divide the numerator and the denominator by their HCF. So 9 divided by 3 and 12 divided by 3. So 9 divided by 3, 3. And 12 divided by 3, 4. So answer 3 by 4. Now children, again see the next sum. Sum number 2. So you have to first find out the HCF of 10 and 15. Which number is bigger? 15 is bigger. So divide 15 by 10. 10 ones are 10, 5. Now divide 10 by 5. So 5 twos are 10. So the HCF is 5. So the HCF of 10 and 15 is 5. So 10 by 15 is equal to, divide the numerator and the denominator by 5. So 10 divided by 5 and 15 divided by 5. So 10 divided by 5, 2, and 15 divided by 5, 3. So answer 2 by 3. Next see the sum 18 by 24. The first to find out the HCF of 18 and 24. Which number is bigger, 18 or 24? 24 is bigger. So divide 24 by 18. 18 ones are 18. So 14 minus 8, 6. 2 minus 2, 0. Again divide 18 by 6. So 6 3s are 18. So which one is the HCF of 18 and 24? 6. So now write HCF of 18 and 24 is 6. So 18 by 24 equal to, now you divide the numerator and the denominator of the fraction 18 by 24 by 6. So 18 divided by 6, 3, and 24 divided by 6, 4. So answer 3 by 4. Next, sum number 4. Again you have to find out the HCF of 24 and 36. Which number is better? 36 is better than 24. So divide 36 by 24. So 36 ones are, so 24 ones are 24. 6 minus 4, 2. 3 minus 2, 1. So now divide 24 by 12. So 12 twos are 24. So 12 is the HCF of 24 and 36. So write HCF of 24 and 36 is 12. So 24 by 36 equal to, you have to divide the numerator and the denominator of the fraction 24 and 36. by 12. So 24 divided by 12, 2, 36 divided by 12, 3. So answer 2 by 3. Now children, let's do sum number 5. So you have to change the fraction 36 by 42 into its lowest term. So first you find out the HCF of 36 and 42. So by division method you find it out which one is better among 36 and 42. 42 is better. So divide 42 by 36. So 36 ones are 36. So 12 minus 6, 6. 4 minus 4 is 0. So again divide 36 by 6. So 6 6 are 36. So HCF of 36 and 42 is 6. HCF of 36 and 42 is 6. So you divide the numerator and the denominator of the fraction 36 by 42 by 6. So 36 divided by 6 and 42 divided by 6. So 36 divided by 6, 6 and 42 divided by 6, 7. So answer 6 by 7. Next, you find out the HCF of 56 and 60. So which number is better? 56 or 60? 60 is better. So divide 60 by 56. 56 ones are 56. So 10 minus 6, 4. 6 minus 6, 0. So divide 56 by 4. So 4 14s are 56. So the HCF of 56 and 60 is 56. Sorry, is 4. So HCF of 56 and 60 is 4. So write HCF of 56 and 60 is 4. So 56 by 60, you have to divide the numerator and the denominator of the fraction 56 by 60 by 4. So 56 divided by 4 and 60 divided by 4. So 56 divided by 4, how much it is coming? 14. And 60 divided by 4, 15. So answer 14 by 15. Now children, see sum number 13, 32 by 40. So what is the HCF of 32 and 40? You have to find it out which number is better, 42 or 30. 40 is better. So divide 40 by 32. So 32 ones are 32. 10 minus 2, 8. 4 minus 4, 0. So divide 32 by 8. So 8 fours are 32. So the HCF of 32 and 40 is 8. So HCF of 32 and 40 is 8. So you divide the numerator and the denominator of the fraction 32 by 40 by 8. So 32 divided by 8 and 40 divided by 8. So 32 divided by 8, 4. 40 divided by 8, 5. So answer 4 by 5. Next children, 11, that's sum number 15, 11 by 33. So what is the HCF of 11 and 33? Which number is better? 33 is greater than 11. So divide 33 by 11. So 11 threes are 33. So the HCF of 11 and 33 is 11. So you divide, so HCF of 11 and 33 is 11. So 11 by 33, you divide the numerator and the denominator of the fraction 11 by 33 by 11. So 11 divided by 11 and 33 divided by 11. 11 divided by 11, 1. 33 divided by 11, 3. So answer 1 by 3. Now children, let's do sum number 23. So you have to write 48 by 60 into its lowest term. So first you take the HCF of 48 and 60. Which number is bigger, 60 or 48? 60 is bigger. So divide 60 by 48. So 48 ones are 48. 10 minus 8, 2. 6 minus 5, 1. So again divide 48 by 12. So 12 4s are 48. So 12 is the HCF of 48 and 60. Now children, you divide the numerator and the denominator of the fraction 48 by 60 by its HCF 12. So 48 divided by 12, 60 divided by 12. So 48 divided by 12, 4 and 60 divided by 12, 5. So answer 4 by 5. Next, sum number 27. 26 by 39. So you have to find out the HCF of 26 and 39. Which number is bigger? 39 is bigger than 26. So you divide 39 by 26. So 26 ones are 26. So 9 minus 6, 3. 3 minus 2, 1. Again divide 26 by 13. So 13 twos are 26. So 13 is the HCF of 26 and 39. So HCF of 26 and 39 is 13. So 26 by 39. So you divide the numerator and the denominator of the fraction 26 by 39 by 13. So 26 divided by 13 and 39 divided by 13. 26 divided by 13, 2 and 39 divided by 13, 3. So answer 2 by 3. So you take the HCF of 45 and 75. So which number is greater, 45 or 75? 75 is greater. So you divide 75 by 45. So 45 ones are 45. So 5 minus 5, 0, 7 minus 4, 3. Now again divide 45 by 30. So 30 ones are 30. So 5 minus 5, 4 minus 3, 1. So again divide 30 by 15. So 30 to 15 twos are 30. So 15 is the HCF of 45 and 75. So HCF of 45 and 75 is 15. So now you divide the numerator and the denominator of the fraction 45 by 75 by 15. So 45 divided by 50 and 75 divided by 50. So 45 divided by 15, 3 and 75 divided by 15, 5. So answer 3 by 5. Next children, see sum number 31, 48 by 80. So you have to find out the HCF of 48 and 80. So which number is greater? 80 is greater than 48. So divide 80 by 48. 48 ones are 48. So 10 minus 8, 2. 8 minus 5, 3. Again divide 48 by 32. So 32 ones are 30. 2. 8 minus 2, 6. 4 minus 3, 1. Again divide 32 by 16. So 16 twos are 32. So 16 is the HCF of 48 and 80. So write HCF of 48 and 80 is 16. Now you divide the numerator and the denominator of the fraction 48 by 80 by 16. So 48 divided by 16 and 80 divided by 16. 48 divided by 16, 3. And 80 divided by 16, 5. So answer 3 by 5. That's all for today. Thank you. Children, take your homework.